Cryptocurrency is a type of digital currency that is not issued by any central authority. It can be used as a medium of exchange as well as an investment. There are many cryptocurrencies on the market, but not all of them are worth investing in. We've compiled a list of the 5 best cryptocurrency to invest in right now. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 5 best cryptocurrency to invest in right now. Before we get started, remember I'm not a financial advisor and this video should not be considered as a financial advice. Like any type of investment, cryptocurrency is volatile. So do your own research. 1. Ethereum ETH. Ethereum is a platform for decentralized applications. Ethereum is an open-source, public blockchain-based distributed computing platform with smart contract functionality. It supports a modified version of Nakamoto consensus via transaction-based state transitions. It is a blockchain-based smart contract platform that allows developers to create and deploy decentralized applications. The Ethereum virtual machine makes the process of creating blockchain applications much easier and efficient than ever before. The current price of ETH is $1,233, with a market cap of $148 billion. It reached an all-time high of $4,878 last November. 2. Polygon Matic. Matic is a scaling solution for Ethereum aimed at solving the problems of high transaction fees, slow confirmation times, and network congestion. Matic is an open-source public blockchain that uses a DPoS consensus mechanism and the Matic token to ensure fast and secure transactions. Matic will be able to process up to 50,000 transactions per second with low fees. Matic solves scalability issues by using sidechain technology. This means that every dApp built on Matic can utilize its own sidechain for full scalability without congesting the main chain. Additionally, Matic will use proof-of-stake consensus, which has been shown to be more efficient than proof-of-work in terms of cost and speed. Matic is a new crypto protocol that brings the blockchain to mainstream computing. It is designed to be used by developers for building their own blockchains and decentralized applications, as well as by businesses for storing data in a fast, secure, and reliable way. The Matic team has been working on this protocol since late 2017. They have been developing it with the intention of making it scalable and usable on mobile devices, while still maintaining decentralization. Matic's main goal is to provide developers with an easy-to-use platform for building blockchains without any prior knowledge of cryptography or security engineering. It also provides them with a way to scale their blockchain up to millions of transactions per second without compromising decentralization. Matic's current price is 89 cents, with a market cap of $7.9 billion. It reached an all-time high of $2.92 about a year ago. If you enjoyed this video so far, consider subscribing. 3. Polkadot DOT. Polkadot is a blockchain technology that has been developed by the company Parity Technologies Limited. It has been created to solve the problems of scalability and security that are currently faced by the Ethereum blockchain. Polkadot is a project for inter-blockchain services and allows for many blockchains to exist in parallel. It will allow for many different tokens to be transferred from one chain to another, which means that there will be no need for exchanges in order to trade tokens from one chain to another. The Polkadot token, DOT, will act as an intermediary token between various chains, and it will be used as a form of payment for relay services on the network. At the time of making this video, DOT price is at $5.31, with a market cap of $2.64 billion. It reached an all-time high of $54.98 in November of 2021. 4. Binance Coin BNB. Binance Coin is one of the most popular cryptocurrencies in the world. It is a cryptocurrency with a high trading volume, and it has been on the market for a few years now. The Binance Coin BNB was created to be used as a utility token on the Binance platform. The company behind this cryptocurrency is called Binance, which happens to be the biggest crypto exchange in the world. The company wanted to make sure that they have their own token and not depend on Ethereum, Bitcoin, or any other cryptocurrency for transactions on their platform. Since its launch, Binance Coin has been able to offer many benefits that can't be found with other cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. For example, if you want to trade with low fee, you must use BNB on the Binance Smart Chain because the transaction fee is very low compared to Ethereum mainnet. $285 is the current price of BNB, with a market cap of $46.5 billion at the time of making this video. It reached an all-time high of $686 in May of 2021. 5. Solana SOL. Solana is a cryptocurrency that is designed to be more scalable than any other cryptocurrency in the market. Solana is an open-source, decentralized trustless cryptocurrency designed for fast and high-throughput transactions. It is a new generation of blockchain technology that solves the problems of speed and scalability that many other cryptocurrencies are not capable of. Solana's proof-of-stake consensus algorithm utilizes an innovative technique called sharding, which separates the process of block production into smaller shards, or mini-networks. Solana uses these mini-networks to provide scalability, while also eliminating single points of failure. Investments in blockchain technology have reached an all-time high in recent years with the latest Bitcoin boom. However, too many cryptocurrencies are not able to handle large amounts of transactions or speed up remarkably. This is where Solana comes in. Solana is a decentralized and scalable cloud computing platform that uses blockchain technology. Solana's goal is to compete with companies like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform by offering high scalability with low fees and high performance. The project was able to raise $22 million within 24 hours of the start of its ICO on November 27, 2017. Solana was able to leverage this funding to build out its infrastructure. Solana is a project that has a lot of potential to grow as the world becomes more connected and data-driven. The team behind Solana is also very qualified and experienced in this area. They have worked together on projects before and they have delivered on their promises. The current price of SOL is $13.50, with a market cap of $4.9 billion. It reached an all-time high of $260 last November. There you have it, my 5 best cryptocurrency to invest in right now. To buy any of these cryptocurrencies, click the links in the description or the pinned comment in the comment section below to get started. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more crypto-related videos like this.